Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
又
First, let's learn the pronunciation.
又以哦又又又方又方我的右方站着一位同学。我的右方站着一位同学。左右左右左右两边都有人。左右两边都有人。右手右手我用右手拿起画笔。我用右手拿起画笔。
Let's look at the standard way to write this character. Do not make this character too wide overall. Keep the strokes neat and concise with a balanced layout. The original meaning of today's character is the right hand, and it extends to the right side in direction opposite to left. In ancient China, status was divided by left and right, which was widely applied in seating arrangements, official ranks, and hospitality etiquette. The lower part should be written small and square. This stroke should be long and make the other one in an arc shape. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.